Welcome to the deep dive. So today we're tackling, I think, a really fascinating challenge in broadcast engineering.
Yeah, it's a great one.
How do you get that true, uncompressed, stadium level instant replay when your whole setup has to fit inside a rolling suitcase?
It's the core question for mobile production, for sure. And today we're looking at one answer to that.
Okay,
The Datavideo GO-1REPLAY Studio. It's a complete kit.
a complete kit. And our mission today is really to unpack this thing. I see the price tag here is just over $4,000.
That's right, $4,199. And for that, you get a whole system designed from the ground up to, well, to move.
And you can see that right away, can't you? I mean, it comes with this heavy-duty rolling hard case and even a rack-mountable stand.
Exactly. It's built to survive being on the road. So when you pop that case open, you're looking at the core machinery for a high-speed production.
Okay, so let's get into those pieces. What's the brain of the operation, the thing that's actually handling all this high-speed video?
Well, the central component is the HDR10, their dedicated instant replay
Mhm.
processor.
Yeah.
Then you've got your dual 10-inch monitors, the TLM102, so you can see your live feed and your replay feed at the same time.
And the operator needs a way to actually
Oh, yeah.
control it, right? That tactile feel has to be
Yeah,
critical.
absolutely. And that's the RMC 400 replay controller. It's actually so important you can buy it separately for nearly $600.
Wow. So what makes that controller so special?
It's the T-bar and the jog shuttle. That T-bar lets the operator just smoothly ramp the playback speed up or down. Way more control than, just tapping buttons on a screen.
So it's that crucial physical link for getting that perfect, silky smooth, slow motion replay.
You got it.
All right, let's switch gears from the hardware to the data. To call this broadcast quality, they have to be serious about the specs,
And they are. The standards are fully professional. You're looking at both HD and SD support, from 480i all the way up to 1080p.
including those cinematic frame rates like 24p.
Yeah, even the cinematic 23.976 and 24. But the real headline here, the thing that really matters for quality, is the recording format.
Which is,
Uncompressed 10-bit 4.2.2 video.
okay, uncompressed 10-bit. Let's break that down. Why does that specific detail matter to me if I'm just at home watching the game?
Ah, great question. It's basically the difference between seeing smooth gradients of color and seeing ugly banding, especially in things like a blue sky.
Oh, right.
10-bit just captures so much more color information. It means when you slow that replay down, the stadium lights don't get these weird steps in their glow. The colors just hold up.
And all that data gets written to what?
It's recording MOV files using an NTFS file system straight onto a removable SSD.
An SSD. Okay. But with all that uncompressed data, getting it off the system after a game must be a concern. How fast is the offload?
That's a very sharp observation. And that's where you see one of the trade-offs. The data transfer is handled over USB 2.0.
Oh, USB 2.0. So that's going to take a while.
It will take some patience, yes. It's a classic compromise in portable gear. You get incredible capture quality, but you might sacrifice high-speed data offloading.
Okay, so let's get to the magic trick. What makes the instant and instant replay actually feel instant?
This is the system's real engineered brilliance. It has a dedicated 4 gigabytes of buffer memory.
4 gigs. And that's not for storage, right?
Not at all. It's constantly cycling, always holding the last 30 seconds of your main program signal. Just holding it ready.
So that 30 seconds of high-quality, uncompressed video is always there, ready for that jog shuttle to grab it and pull it backward in time.
That's the solution. It's clean. This dedicated continuous buffer is what eliminates the lag you'd get with simpler systems. And of course, it all hooks into a pro environment with standard HDSD SDI inputs and outputs.
So to sum it up, you're paying for a system you can roll onto a site, plug in pro cameras, and capture true 10-bit uncompressed video with a dedicated controller that can call up the last 30 seconds of action instantly.
That's the value proposition in a nutshell.
Yeah.
And it does raise an interesting thought for you, our listener, to chew on.
Okay.
That whole mechanism, that ability to freeze time and move backward, it all hinges on that tiny 4 GB of buffer memory, just constantly working away. So think about this. How many other instant things in technology rely on these small, dedicated, but incredibly hardworking buffers in the background to make complex actions feel seamless to us?